Add language to your keyboard. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down and tap on General Management. Tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Here tap on Language and Types. Now tap on Manage Input Language. And now we have to download the language first of all. For example, I want to download this I want to add this Turkish language to my keyboard. So I'm just enabling Turkish and then going back. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added the Turkish language. Now I'm just opening my keyboard from Notes app. And now to switch your keyboard language, just tap on this globe icon. That's how you can go ahead and select your keyboard.